At Advanced Hearing Care, we believe in creating patients for life. From the moment you call our office, our focus is on providing you with expert hearing health care in a warm, compassionate environment. During the initial appointment, we will begin with an interview, which will help us assess and understand the symptoms of hearing problems you've been experiencing. From there, we will complete a series of diagnostic hearing tests to help us assess the type and degree of hearing loss you may be experiencing. Once all of the appropriate tests have been completed, our doctor of audiology or hearing instrument specialist will explain in detail the test findings, as well as describe the personal implications to you. Various rehabilitative options will be presented based on the specific test findings, as well as your unique lifestyle and communication needs. I assure you that together we will find the optimal solution for your hearing needs.